Now we can go on to editing the skin tone. So for editing the skin tone, you can use this feature. So you can see the change in the skin tone. Like I think darker shades and lighter shades. Any type of shade you want. I think this one is nice shade. So I will keep this. Then hair color. So red. I think any color you can take. Red one. Then we will zoom in for editing the details. I think you can see the change I am doing around. That's all for this one. Then I will keep it. Then I will go to eye color. So this is one of the most greatest feature I like. So I think it's better to zoom in there. For the color, I will take the blue. You can take any of the available color, but the best one of them is I think blue one. So I will take the blue. I will increase the saturation. I will increase the opacity to, I think that's okay. Then we will fix it. Then we will go to the second side. Here also we will fix it. And then we will go for, so you can see that there is some problem in the sizing of the eye. So I think it will be better to increase this one like this, and then decrease this one like this. Then that's okay. Then we will go on the eraser, and I will increase its hardness and decrease its size. Not so low. That's okay. Then we will I think the size of the eyes is still high. So after doing this eraser work, we will go back on editing. So it's big. Then we will smaller it. So I think for now that's okay. So we will just okay it. Then in this we don't have any teeth, otherwise there's a feature of teeth whitening. It will just basically whiten anything you use it on. For showing you, I will use it in the eye, so you can see it has been whitened. So now I will erase it, and I think you can understand how it will work. So it will work properly when you do it on the teeth. Then this one is okay. Then you can use the stickers, cut out, text, add photo somewhere if you want. Brushes, border, mask, then you can draw. Like if you want to remove this chain from here, we will use the draw feature and we will select the color from here. We will go to this and then we will select the color. We can reduce its opacity also, and then we will use it some here, so this will almost be invisible. Then okay, frame and lens flare, the different lens flare available. I'm not going to use them. And for the last one effect which I forgot to tell you before, is the blur effect. So when you will go on the blur, you will find the flooring blur effect. Like I think this one is nice. Then after doing this, you can take up the razor and remove the part you want, or you want to keep unblurred, like the face. This will make your photo look better 100%, and the background will remain blurred. So that's all, and we will done. And we are done. Then you can just save it like this. So thanks for watching my channel and my video. I hope you all will like and subscribe it.